Hello, welcome to another episode of the GreggFesto Show. Today we're going to be working on a 2009 Toyota Tundra, and nothing big. What we're going to be doing is putting some decals on the side that are for the Rock Warrior edition, but all the TRD stickers are done the same way. Some of the reasons you may want to do this is because your stickers have gotten old and faded and you want to refreshen them. Maybe you repainted the vehicle, or maybe you don't like the way the one-piece factory stickers look with the all clear background. They start looking bad, and you can get new stickers on sites such as eBay or Amazon that are actually the cutout letters. So only thing that would be the sticker would be the letters, which is what we've got here. And what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how do you install those and make them look like they're pretty much the factory. So here we go. Okay, we're here at the bench. We've got our sticker, and they are not cut square when you get them. The paper on the back is not going to be exactly square. So what I like to do is I like to draw a line on here that I can line up with when I put it on the vehicle, so that I know that it's straight to a feature on the vehicle. In particular on these TRD trucks, this sticker is straight to the body line on the back of the bed, which is right by the tail light. And the measurement from the body line down is dependent upon where on the line you pick. So I pick usually from the center of it right down to the top of my letters, and I get somewhere around 175 thousandths. So what I do is I take my little scale here and I'll set it to where I want, and then I can take and look right here, and I can make me a little line right on down the top of the sticker, and I'll pick all these high spots. And now that I've got that, I know how far this dots are from the top of my letters, and I'll just go ahead and connect that line. It's just only, it's not that I'm being so accurate here, it's just something that I want to make it sure that this is going to be straight. So you can see the difference. It's nearly touching right there, and on this end it's got that much of a gap. So now I'll take my scissors, I'll cut down the length of this. Alright, so now she's fairly straight all the way across the top. Alright, so we've wiped that down with denatured alcohol, and what that's done is removed any grease or wax from it right there. Once we get the sticker on it, we can take and rub some protectant back over top of it. Now that body line we're going to follow is this little crease right here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tape, and I'm going to go from the edge of this crease, which happens to be the line in this tail light right here. And I'm going to go up to, in here somewhere long enough that the length of the decal is covered. So I'm right in that line. Alright, and I happen to know on the TRD logo that 1.5 inches from this gap forward is about where they put the sticker, the end of it. On this side it would be the T. So I'll go ahead and put my 1.5 inch mark here. One more wipe with alcohol. Got a piece of tape that I'm going to put across the center of the decal. And we'll do it right here. Just like that. So that's where I'm going to put this part down first, and then this part. And so I know where this is now. Based on this line, I can go ahead and do a score so that this paper will come off. Score this paper right along this line. Alright, so I'm sure that it will come apart. Now I'm going to put the sticker on the truck. We're going to line it up right here. You see how that comes right to the tape? Do that all the way down. Now I know that that sticker should be straight with my line, right? So the next step is I'm going to peel this backer off. And I'm going to make sure that all these little letters are sticking to this front side. If they start to come off, stop, you go back, push down on them, and make them stick to that backer. Alright. We got that. We're going to let this transfer material keep the straightness of it. So lightly with your hand, rub. We're going from this way. See? We'll make sure this is out of the way, just in case. Alright, looks good. Now we can take this piece of tape off because it's going to stay in place. And we can pull this backer. Ah, you see that one? It tried to come up. There we go. That one did too. See how that happens? You want to try to make sure you keep them all in the right spot, because that's what's keeping the spacing, of course. Alright. So now we can lay this part out very carefully. Remember, I'm letting the paper keep the center. Alright, so the paper has kept that centered. Take your squeegee. Make sure you've got the letters, all the little bubbles and air out. Now if you've done it the way I've shown you, there shouldn't be any air in it. Because when you rubbed it with your hand, you push the air from under the decal. But this is just going to make sure. Alright, let's see what she looks like. Alright, that looks really good. Now, you'll look at the decal, you'll see probably some imperfections. You go back with your squeegee and get them out. Well, there you have it. How to install a TRD sticker on your truck. Doesn't take but a few minutes. Make it look factory plus when you don't have that little clear in the background of it. So, if you watched the video to this channel, I want to say thank you very much. Please give a thumbs up to it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, GreggFesto out.